I'm excited to announce that we have saved Gigafox. With only an hour or less so to go, we were down to this much filament, literal scraps. But Gigafox is done and he turned out amazing! It's so big! I cannot wait to glue this tail on. I guess we're not doing a brim removal, but we'll take it off the build plate. I'm going to be using this 3D glue to glue the tail on. This is a special glue designed specifically for PLA, and it makes a chemical bond. Oh my gosh, he is stunning! I love the way the sparkly tail turned out, and it contrasts so nicely with this color. The color shift in this filament turned out really pretty too. And he's just so big! He's like almost as big as my cat. What should we name him? I've just been calling him Gigafox, but we can probably do better. If you have any ideas, let me know.